Gandang buhay! Ito na naman ang inyong Tita Techie. I'm going to discuss with you AIA All-in-One or commonly called as AIO. AIO is one of the best protection products AIA is. All-in-one, get all, out protection to out life. So you have life insurance, you have protection, you have critical illness, you have accident, and disability coverage. So the life insurance coverage is until age 100. Let's go deeper of the benefits, features, and advantage of AIO. So AIO is an affordable, non-participating whole life insurance plan that provides 4 types of protections. So ano-ano ba yung mga protection na binibigay ni AIO? Number 1, meron kang life insurance benefit. Number 2, total and permanent disability. Number 3, personal accident benefit. And number 4, critical illness coverage. So, you have also the option to add enhanced waiver of premium rider. So, meron din siyang Feel and Vitality para ma-boost yung iyong coverage and at the same time para ma-enjoy mo pa yung different rewards that AIA Feel and Vitality offers. Right? So, all-in-one, as mentioned, meron siyang critical illness and disability coverage. You have the AIA, Film Life Vitality for Total Health and Wellness Program, and all-in-one is also intended for income continuation. You have 10 major critical illnesses in the list. You have total and permanent disability. You have the AIA Film Vitality for the Total Health and Wellness Program. You have the face amount for the life insurance. You have the personal accident and enhanced waiver of premium. So, all in one. Now, all in one is a guaranteed plan, meaning the coverage and paying period are fixed and not dependent on market condition. What does it mean? So, say for example, you opted to pay on a 5-year variant. So, tapos ka nang magbayad ng 5 years, hindi ka na ulit i-require na magbayad. And this is not dependent on market conditions. Whatever the situation is, whether it is economic conditions or whatever na naging worse yung ating mga market conditions, hindi makaka-affect sa benefit na, na, na kinuha mo dito sa AIO. So the coverage and paying period are fixed and not dependent on market conditions. Nothing to worry if the fund value becomes low or mawala yung fund value. Okay? The coverage are independent from each other. So as mentioned, meron kayong life insurance coverage, total and permanent disability, then critical illness, you have the personal accident. Assuming the insured na aksidente siya, na-avail niya na yung personal accident coverage, meron pa rin siyang natitirang coverage which are the life insurance, the total and permanent disability, and as well as the critical illness. Basta hindi pa nagagamit yung life insurance, tuloy pa din ang benepisyo ng AIO. Alright, so independent from each other yung mga coverages. Next is light on the pocket, meaning yung pong premium ng AIO is very affordable, lalo-lalo na pag ito ay kukunin ni 18 years old, which is the minimum age requirement to buy the AIO. Kayang-kaya, napaka-affordable. At the price of 1 with the benefits of 4. Para kang nag-e-enjoy sa cup of coffee mo na 4-in-1, so tuloy-tuloy lang ang ligaya by shifting. Doon naman, tuloy-tuloy lang yung benefits at the price of 1. Right? What are the summary of the benefits? Ito na siya. Life insurance coverage. Ito yung guaranteed cash death benefit. equal to the face amount less any debt to the company to be provided upon death of the insured. Next, we have the total and permanent disability coverage. Siya yung if the insured will be totally and permanent disabled due to bodily injured or diseases, makukuha niya yung 100% ng kanyang total and permanent disability coverage. Next, personal accident benefit. The insured will receive a benefit equal to 100% of the personal accident benefit if the insured experience accident-related conditions. So, meron siyang personal accident benefit na nakatag kung magkano yung binili niya. But, meron pa din siyang additional 100% of the personal accident benefit to be given in two conditions. Number one, due to acts of nature or while riding a ticketed public transportation. So, dapat siya yung passenger, hindi siya yung driver at saka public transport na ticketed may route. So, 10 critical illness coverage. So, if the insured is diagnosed with any of the 10 covered critical illness, 100% of the CA coverage will be provided. The optional riders is the enhanced waiver of premium, one of which the total premium, the base, and riders will be waived in case of TPT and upon diagnosis of any covered 10 critical illness of the insured. So, as said, it is powered by PhilAm Vitality. The insured is supported by a total wellness programs that give rewards for living healthy. So, na-enjoy niya yung rewards and then, while enjoying the rewards, nabuboost pa yung kanyang coverage. So, that is the power of PhilAm Life Vitality. Okay. With AIA, AIO policy, totally, this is a secured family. Meron kang policy na AIO, yung family mo ay totally secured. Why? Because of the personal accident of the face amount plus additional 1 million. Say for example, the face amount is 1 million. With the condition na nakasakay ka sa ticketed public transport or yung accident is due to acts of nature. So that is one. Another one is the life insurance of 1 million. So the beneficiary will have substantial cash for savings, education of kids, retirement, and family income replacement. Next is the critical illness coverage, which is 1 million or up to the face amount. So, if ikaw naglagay ka ng enhanced waiver of premium at na-diagnose ka ng critical illness, ikaw yung insured, you will no longer pay for the remaining premium payments. And the policy is still insured. Like critical illness, the total and permanent disability works that way also. If you have the enhanced waiver of premium, the succeeding payment of the premium will be taken care of by the company and the policy is still in force. So the family is totally secured with AIA, AIO policy. Alright, next, we go to a sample scenario wherein yung insured, ang na-enjoy niya lang is life insurance. So, our insured is 32 years old male. Ang kinuha niya is 20 years paying period. The life insurance, the TPD, personal accident coverage, as well as critical illness coverage is 1 million each. Nag-add din siya ng enhanced waiver of premium. So, at the age of 32, ang coverage period ni insured is until age 100. Unluckily, at the age of 85, the insured died for whatever cause, we don't know, So the beneficiary will receive the 1 million and the policy terminates. So nauna yung life insurance. So yun lang yung maa-avail niya. Okay? Next scenario, with total and permanent disability and later on, namatay ating insured. So same scenario, our insured is 32 years old, the paying period is 20, the coverage for life, TPD, PA, and critical illness is 1 million each, and the enhanced waiver of premium rider is also attached. So the 32 years old, the coverage is until age 100, assuming at the age of 55, naging total and permanent disabled yung ating insured. So, since meron siyang coverage for the TPD, he will get the 1 million. And the TPD rider will terminate, but the policy will still remain in force. Now, for example, after yung ating insured ay naging TPD at the age of 80, unluckily, namatay naman si insured. So, the life insurance coverage of 1 million will be given to the beneficiary and the policy terminates. Right? So, ang magte-terminate sa ating policy is upon the death of the insured. Next scenario, nagkaroon ng personal accident and later on namatay yung ating insured. In our example, we use the same. 32 years old male, 20 years paying period, 1 million each coverage for life, TPD, personal accident, critical illness, and enhanced waiver of premium is also attached. Same, 32 years old until age 100, yun ang coverage niya. So, insured siya from 32 years old until age 100. At the age of 55, nagkaroon siya ng accident. So, nawala yung kanyang isang kamay. So, the insured will get 500,000 and the policy is still in force. So, this is an accident na nagkaroon ng disablement or loss of use. Meron siyang mga percentages to claim for that. Since isa lang yung nawalang kamay, 500,000 lang. Kung dalawa, magiging 1 million yung coverage na doon. And the next, after that, at the age of 80, ang ating kawawang insured sumakay ng bus papunta ng Loton. So, nagkaroon siya ng accident and that caused ng kanyang pagkamatay. So, beneficiary will get 1 million representing the life insurance coverage. Now, meron din siyang coverage for personal accident coverage na 1 million. So, 2 million na. Ngayon, merong isang senaryo na siya ay nakasakay sa bus. Siya ang pasahero ng isang public transport at ito ay may rutang Loton to Manila. So, this time, meron siyang additional na 1 million which is equivalent to the total PA niya. So, all in all, ang makukuha ni beneficiary ay 3 million and the policy is terminated. Ang ganda, di ba? So, next naman is nagkaroon ng critical illness and later on namatay din yung insured. We're going to use the same insured, 32 years old male, 20 years paying period, the life insurance, TPD, personal accident, as well as 10 critical illness as a coverage of 1 million each and the same enhanced waiver of premium naka-attach. So, 32 years old, coverage period niya is until age 100. At the age of 55, nagkaroon siya ng critical illness. Diagnosed siya na may cancer. So, ibibigay yung kanyang critical illness coverage na 1 million and the policy is still in force. Say, for example, at the age of 77 or 80, nagkaroon na ulit siya ng another critical illness. So, this time, wala na siyang makukuha na benefit for the critical illness since nagamit niya na yon. Right. Now, ang pwede niya lang ma-avail for this is yung TPD, personal accident, at saka yung life insurance. Say for example, at the age of 80, unluckily yung ating insured namatay siya. So the beneficiary will get 1 million coverage, then the policy terminates, right? So all-in-one illustration of premium computation. Para makita nyo how light in the pocket is, dito yung premium computation for our exam. So the basic premium is 19,200. The TPD premium is 1,670. The PA premium or personal accident premium is 1,320. And the CI premium is 11,280. So the total premium is 33,520. Kailan daw ba ma-terminate yung mga benefits? Siyempre, lahat naman may end. Wala namang forever, right? So, the termination age of life insurance is age 100. The critical illness covered in the list is 10. So, until what age does critical illness benefit last? Until age 75. Termination age of the personal accident benefit, same, age 75. When is additional coverage be given under personal accident benefit? If due to accident riding a ticketed public transport and the insured is the passenger and acts of nature. And in which condition will make the enhanced waiver of premium to be in effect? As said, when the insured gets diagnosed with a critical illness or becomes TPD, and as long as he attach a rider of enhanced waiver of premium, he will then enjoy the benefit of the enhanced waiver of premium. So in this case, the company will pay the succeeding premium. So, ano ba daw yung wini-waive pag nagkaroon ng enhanced waiver of premium? So, the basic premium and the remaining rider, yun lang yung wini-waive niya. Right? So, all in one payment term. We have this product, as said, is an ordinary life. So, the pay variant will depend on the issue age will depend on the pay variant na kinuha ng insured. So, for 5 years, the issue age is 18 to 60 years old, 10 pay, 18 to 55, 20 pay, 18 to 55 also, and pay up to age 65 is 18 to 40 years old. Alright? So, the pay variants are 5, 10, 20, and pay 10 to age 65. So, the issue age is starting at the age of 18. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Right? God bless everyone, and I hope nakakuha kayo ng magandang insight para ano nyo din, ma-avail nyo din plan. God bless us all.